Depression is a disease of the times, which afflicts many of us because of the pressures that a large segment of society is exposed to. Together we learn ways to get rid of it. Depression affects a large segment of society due to the circumstances and pressures that make them vulnerable to infection, which affects his mental and physical health. So his behavior is affected in turn, and makes him vulnerable to multiple diseases, which is what made many call it the disease of the age. Today, we learn together about multiple ways to obviate depression and avoid exposure to its complications. Daily tips to get rid of depression. Number 1. Change the daily routine. The daily routine causes the feeling that all days are the same, and that is why you must be careful to change this routine by resorting to hobbies and skills that can change your habits, so that you do not feel the routine that affects the person with depression. Number 2. Social participation. To reduce the symptoms of depression and the incidence of it, be sure to participate in social activities with others, as these activities help to get rid of negative thoughts that a person feels, and they also help him get rid of the isolation that is the most common cause of depression. Number 3. Setting goals. The person must have goals that he seeks to achieve, and this works to prevent depression and its complications. And for this reason, goals must be set to achieve them, even if they are simple goals. Number 4. Exercise. Exercising is one of the most important things that work to get rid of the feeling of depression, because it works on the secretion of a chemical, endorphins, which causes improvement in mood and get rid of the bad state that a person feels. Number 5. Eat healthy food. Eating healthy food and foods helps reduce depression, which is why you should eat foods that contain omega-3, such as tuna and salmon, as they are among the most prominent antidepressants that help get rid of it, and foods that contain folic acid, such as avocados and spinach, work to improve a person's mood. Number 6. Normal sleep. Natural good sleep and regularity with it works to reduce the severity of depression, and that is why a person must get enough sleep every day, which ranges between 6 and 8 hours, while making sure to fall asleep and wake up early. Number 7. Reducing negative thoughts. It is important for a person to think positively and avoid negative thinking, which is one of the important reasons that affect the psychological state of a person, which makes him vulnerable to depression and other psychological diseases associated with it, such as anxiety, tension and others. And for this you must reduce negative thinking and ensure positive thinking about things different. Number 8. Consult a doctor. When you feel that the symptoms of depression increase, you should consult a doctor who will prescribe the appropriate treatment for you, such as antidepressants, which are only prescribed under the supervision of a specialist doctor, and he may prescribe you one of the necessary nutritional supplements to get rid of depression.